Hey foodies and baking enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about whipping up cakes, bread, or creamy mashed potatoes, a good hand mixer is a total game changer. In 2025, hand mixers are more powerful, compact, and feature-packed than ever. Some even come with digital controls and turbo boosts. Today, we're checking out the best hand mixers of 2025, so stick around and make sure to check the description for links to grab your favorite mixer. First up is the KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power. This mixer is a classic for a reason. It's built to last and handles almost any task in the kitchen. With 5 speed settings, you can gently mix dry ingredients or crank it up for heavy dough. The powerful motor manages thick batters with ease, and the soft grip handle keeps long mixing sessions comfortable. Compact, yet powerful, it's perfect for cakes, cookies, and mashed potatoes. If you love reliable performance and simplicity, check the description for links to grab the KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power today. Next, the OVENTE 5-speed hand mixer is lightweight and portable, but surprisingly powerful. Its 150-watt motor handles everyday baking like a champ, and it comes with stainless steel whisks for smooth, even mixing. Plus, the snap-on storage case keeps your beaters safe and organized. Ideal for quick mixing, whipping cream, or kneading small dough batches. It's a versatile addition to any kitchen. Want a compact, portable mixer that doesn't skimp on performance? Check the description to grab the OVENTE 5-speed now. The BLACK+DECKER MX 3200B is all about power and control. With 6 speed settings plus a turbo boost, it can tackle anything from light whipping to thick dough. The ergonomic design makes it easy to hold, and the mixer excels at whipping cream, beating eggs, and mixing cookie dough without splatter. It's perfect for bakers who need a versatile, reliable, and comfortable mixer for frequent use. If you want a mixer with turbo power and full control, click the links in the description to grab the BLACK+DECKER MX 3200B. The Hamilton Beach 6-speed mixer is a complete baking package. It comes with whisks, dough hooks, and easy clean beaters, so you can handle everything from cakes to bread dough. The 275-watt motor provides power for heavier mixtures, and the snap-on storage case keeps everything organized. With multiple speeds, it's easy to start slow for gentle mixing or ramp up for tough doughs. Looking for a high-powered all-in-one mixer? Check the description for links to grab the Hamilton Beach 6-speed today. Finally, the Yomelo 9-speed digital hand mixer is for bakers who love tech-savvy features. Its 400-watt DC motor handles everything from thick bread dough to light whipped cream. The digital touch buttons allow precise speed adjustments, and the turbo boost gives an extra kick when needed. It comes with dough hooks, whisks, and a snap-on storage case, making it versatile and convenient. Want a powerful high-tech mixer for all your baking needs? Hit the description and grab the Yomelo 9-speed digital now. No matter your baking style, these mixers make prepping desserts, whipping, and kneading easier and faster. Check the description now for links to grab your favorite hand mixer today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more kitchen tech reviews.